Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to use roughness effect. Okay, here I will change for the objects into Sapphire. Click Add, go to Mesh and UV Sapphire. Right click and you can choose Set Smooth. You also can set into these viewport settings. And now I will set for the render option into Cycles. The next you go into Materials. Click new, and in here you can see we have these roughness tools. If you decrease, it will show for the reflection like this. Look small, but if you want to increase again, you can active for transmission, select into 1. Like this. So it will automatically show the roughness in this Sapphire object. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to insert a roughness effect. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.